Hello beautiful viewers, welcome back to my channel Fashion Fables. If you are new my channel, please subscribe and like my video. Today we are diving in the wonderful world of lipstick colors. From Bollywood reds to suitable nudes, there are shades of there for every mood and occasions. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumb up of your love experiment with lipstick colors. Let's talk about lipsticks, shall we? It's amazing how a simple sweep of color can transform your entire look and boost your confidence. Whether you are rocking a full face of makeup or going for a more natural vibe, choosing the right lipstick colors can tie everything together. First up, let's talk about the classic. Red lipstick has been a staple in women's makeup bags for decades, and for good reasons. It's bold, glamorous, and instantly commands actions. Whether you prefer a true red, a deep, or a bright carry, how these shades for red out there to suit every skin tone and personality. Red lipstick, it is timeless classic that never goes out of styles. It's the perfect accessory for a night out on the town or a special occasions like a wedding or a beautiful lipstick colors. When choosing a red lipstick, pay actions. Warm tones like orange or a black reeds complement or warm skin tones. Will color tones like blue reds look stunning on fair a cool tone like. Next up, let's talk about nude lipstick. Nude shades are perfect for everybody. We are giving you a polished and neutral look without your makeup. From soft pinks and peaches to warm brown and mavis, there are new lipstick out there are enchants your natural beauty and filter your skin tones. Nude lipstick is a must-have is any makeup collection. It's very stylish effortlessly and go this video with just about any look. When choosing a new lipstick, consider your skin tone. Opt for shades that are one of two shades, dark or lighter than your neutral lip color for the most fleeting effects. Let's talk about bold lipstick shades from vibrant purples and blue to daring blacks and greens. Bold lip colors are all about making a statement and expressive your individuality. Whether you are feeling Addict, playful, or just want to shake things up, don't be afraid to experiment with bold lipstick shades and have fun with your makeup. And there you have it. Beauties or colors look the sum of the most popular lipstick colors and how to rock them with confidence. Remember, makeup is all about self-expressions and having fun. So don't be afraid to step out your custom comfort zone and do something now. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next time video.